So let's see the 57th question. The question asks, if RBI decides to adopt an expansionist monetary policy, मतलब विस्तारवादी मौद्रिक नीति, तो अगर RBI adopt कर रहा है, which of the following would it not do? The question is about not do. There are two types of monetary policy of RBI, not of RBI but every central bank. Monetary policy can be defined into two categories. First one is contractionist, and another one is expansionist. ओके, कॉन्ट्रैक्शनिस्ट में क्या होता है? मनी सप्लाई को कम कर दिया जाता है. इन अनदर वर्ड्स, लिक्विडिटी इज reduced. But in expansionist, it is just the reverse. Liquidity को बढ़ा दिया जाता है. So the question is, RBI क्या नहीं करेगा expansionism के लिए, expansionist monetary policy के लिए? तो in another words, we can say the question is asking what RBI will do to follow contractionist monetary policy. We can say that अगर expansionist नहीं होगी तो contractionist होगी. So try to answer this question in this sense because it will be confusing to answer the question in this कि will not do में आंसर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. So statement 1 says it will cut SLR. What is SLR? SLR is a SLR क्या होता है? सपोज आपके पास बैंक के पास 100 रुपए आए and RBI said that 20 rupees banks will have to invest in government securities, golds and another bonds. Okay, 20 rupees banks cannot forward them as loans. So banks will be left only with 80 rupees to forward as loans. बैंक के पास बस अब 80 रुपए बचेंगे लोन की तरह आगे कराने के लिए. But when RBI says, okay, now from 20 rupees, what we are doing is we are reducing it to 10%. So 10 rupees. Only 10 rupees you will have to invest in government securities, bonds, and another RBI stated bonds. So then banks will be left with 90 rupees to forward as loans. Okay. What is happening in this case? What is happening is that banks are left with more money to forward as loans. So what is happening? Liquidity is increasing in the market क्योंकि banks उस पैसे को अब मार्केट में उतार देंगे. ठीक है, तो SLR जब कट हो जाता है तो बैंक्स के पास ज्यादा पैसा होता है to forward that money as loans. So statement 1 is not related to contractionist monetary policy but it is related to expansionist monetary policy. And question is very specifically asking कि expansionist के example क्या नहीं है. So statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2, increase the marginal standing facility rate. The marginal standing facility rate को शॉर्ट में इस तरह समझते हैं कि कभी भी बैंक्स के पास जब पैसा हो जाता कम पड़ जाता है और उसको तुरंत पैसा चाहिए होता है, then out of all the option, one option it has to approach RBI. Banks can approach RBI and can ask for emergency funds. Okay, exactly ऐसा नहीं होता है, but in brief I am explaining that banks approaching RBI for money and in return banks will be paying interest. That interest rate is known as MSF. Okay, तो जब MSF बढ़ जाएगा so what will happen? RBI पैसा दे रहा है बैंक्स को, वो महंगा हो जाएगा. Suppose interest rate is 8% and RBI has given 100 rupees to banks. तो RBI को 108 रुपए वापस रिटर्न करने पड़ेंगे. अब कोई भी डिपॉजिटर है, suppose this depositor comes here and approaches banks for loan. In any case, banks कम से कम 108 रुपए से तो ज्यादा ही देंगे क्योंकि 108 रुपए तो RBI को भी देने हैं. So what will happen? Banks will charge 110 rupees, मतलब 10% इंटरेस्ट ले लिया. बट अगर MSF और बढ़ा दिया जाए, ओके, सपोज 8% से 10% कर दिया गया, then banks will have to pay 110 rupees here to the RBI. Then what banks will do? Banks 110 को काट के अब लोन को और महंगा कर देंगे, इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ जाएगा, it will become 115. And as the interest rate will get higher, less and less people will approach banks to take loans क्योंकि इतना महंगा इंटरेस्ट लेना, लोन लेना हो जाता है. So what is happening that people are less inclined to borrow from banks for investment or for any other purpose. तो इसका आउटकम क्या है? liquidity is reducing, liquidity कम होती जा रही है. So this is contractionist policy and this is not expansionist policy. So statement 2 is correct. Cut the bank rate and repo rate. Again, bank rate क्या होता और repo rate. Repo rate को इस तरह समझते हैं, when any person deposits 100 rupees, तो आरबीआई क्या देता है उसमें से एक स्पेसिफिक पोर्शन विच इज 4% करंटली क्या देता है कि 4 रुपए आप निकाल दो और एक लॉकर में रख दो एंड यू कैन नॉट इन्वेस्ट दैट मनी एनीवेयर. So then banks are left with 96 rupees only to forward loans. अब अगर रेपो रेट कम हो जाएगा, मान लो 4% से 3% कर दिया, then banks will have 97 rupees to forward as loans. So what will happen? It will expand the money circulation. So it will be an example of expansionist policy. So statement 3 is also incorrect. So the correct answer should be option B, statement 2 only. Okay. So this was our 57th question.